In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin team member to Insightly CRM. Adding an admin user is an important step in managing your account because admins have access to key settings, user management, and high-level configuration. So let's walk through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own Insightly account. First, make sure you're logged into Insightly with an account that already has admin permissions. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon, which may be your photo or just your initials. Go ahead and click that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, choose the option labeled System Settings. This will take you into the main settings area where you can control how your Insightly environment is configured for your organization. On the left-hand side of the System Settings page, you'll see a menu with different sections. Look for the section called Users. Under that section, click on the option labeled User. This will open a list of all the people who currently have access to your Insightly account. At the top right of this user list, there should be a button that says Add New User. Click that button to start creating your new team member's account. A pop-up window or form will appear where you can enter their details. Here, you'll need to fill in the basics: their first name, last name, and email address. Take a moment to double-check the email address, because Insightly will use it to send the invitation and login instructions. If it's incorrect, they won't be able to access the system. Next, look under the User Details section within that same pop-up. You'll see a checkbox labeled Admin. Check this box to give the new user admin-level permissions. Be sure you really intend to make this person an admin, because admins can manage other users and change system-wide settings. Now, you'll also need to select the appropriate product user licenses for this person. Depending on your subscription, you might see options like CRM subscription or marketing subscription. Choose the license or licenses that match the type of access this team member needs, keeping in mind your available seats. Once all of the information looks correct and you've confirmed the admin checkbox and license selections, click the Add New User button in the pop-up to finalize the process. Insightly will create the account and send an invitation to the email you entered, and your new admin team member will be ready to log in and get started.